Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and giving you guys the approximate value for my Ipsy glam bag from the month of February. The hashtag for the month of February was XOXO Ipsy. Obviously it's Valentine's Day month, whatever. So the bag is this super cute light pink with darker pink little kissy lips all over it. And then I love that they started including these. These are little like pamphlets that kind of tell you exactly what you got in your box, how to use them, and like little tips and tricks. And then the back is kind of that ad for the new add-ons that you can get, which I haven't done yet. Maybe at some point I'll try them out. I just figure I don't need to spend any more money right now, which is why I just placed like a $200 ColourPop order. So drag me. So first up is this Pearlies Coconut Oil and Cranberry Silky Body Butter. I've tried a couple of products from Pearlies in the past, and they've all been like mid-range to not great. And this one is in that same category. I think I had an allergic reaction to it. Like I put it on my hands and my hands were like tingly and red, so washed that off pretty quickly and did not reapply. So I will be giving this to somebody else. It didn't even smell that great either. It wasn't that moisturizing or hydrating, and it's definitely not worth the potential allergic reaction that I'm pretty sure I had, so I'm not super thrilled. And the crazy thing is there's nothing in here that I should be allergic to, so it was just really weird. But anyways, the approximate value for the sample size is $4. Next up is this Sugar Cosmetics lipstick. I am wearing it right now, obviously. This is in the shade number 9, Better Call Solomon, like Better Call Saul. I think that's kind of cute. My only one thing is I feel like it's not super salmony colored. I feel like it's showing up a lot more pink than it is in the tube. In the tube, it's very kind of dark red, more berry toned. Like it's just not that kind of like brighter pink that I would consider salmon. So there's that. But I do like the formula, I like the lipstick, I do like the color even though it's not what I would consider salmon, but it is a very pretty lipstick. It lasts for a very long time, which I was incredibly impressed with, so I have continued to wear this. That's actually been my kind of like go-to lipstick shade right now. Also, I just have to say their range of these lipsticks is called It's a Pout Time Vivid Lipstick Mini, so I think that's just really punny. I love puns. Anyways, the approximate value for this little lipstick is about $7.29. Next up is this little Ico mascara. Now I was pretty intrigued with this because I've been like binge watching Sophia Nygaard's videos on YouTube, and she did a video probably like forever ago, again I was binging them, where she bought Ico mascaras, like customized personalized Ico mascaras, and she wasn't super thrilled with them, and I haven't been super thrilled with Ico in the past, but I was kind of excited to try this out. I've never tried, correction, I have tried one other mascara in this kind of like tube, like lipstick tubey, lip gloss tube type thing almost, instead of just like a regular tube. So I was kind of excited about this. I kind of like the wand that it's like this curved thing. Usually I like a little bit thicker ones, but I was excited about it. But I think this mascara really just kind of solidified the fact that I'm not a huge Ico fan, so I've requested that I don't, like, I put as just okay on my review for this brand, because everything that I've gotten from them is just okay. This mascara is no different. I didn't think it made my lashes look incredibly great or anything, and then it also never really dried down. Like the mascara just kind of felt wet and sticky and clumpy for like hours, and when I tried to take it off, it just got literally everywhere, like in my eyes, all over my face. Like it did not come off like a normal mascara. It just smeared. It was disgusting. This is the Ico Lash Alert mascara. I don't think I said that before. They do have several different mascaras, so I was not a fan of this one in particular, and I think I've tried a couple other ones that I've not been a huge fan of, so there's that. But anyways, the approximate retail value is about $6.50. Next up is this Touch in Sol No Problem, more puns, priming water, Bulgarian toning water, and essential oil. I actually really like this. I know previously I reviewed a Touch in Sol eyeshadow and glitter duo that I absolutely hated, but I do think this was a win. I've been using this as like my go-to primer lately. I think it makes my skin look super nice, makes it feel really hydrated, like I'm putting on a primer and a moisturizer at the same time, and I feel like it keeps me pretty matte. I don't know if you can tell. I feel like it's kind of like a glowy matte, if that makes sense. Like my skin doesn't look dull. It looks hydrated and kind of glowy under all my full face of makeup. So I have been very impressed with this, and again, it has been my go-to primer currently. And the approximate retail value for this is $3.60. And then last but not least is this DOUCCE Fierce and Fine graphic pen. Now I was super excited about this because I love eyeliners and I loved the tip on this. Like, it is sharp. So I was excited about this. Unfortunately, this product really solidified for me, again, kind of like the Ico product, that I do not want to receive any more DOUCCE products in my glam bags. I'm just not a huge fan of their brand. I don't really love any of the products that they sent me or that I've received through Ipsy, really. They're just okay, and I don't find myself reaching for them. And then this product was absolute trash. So I don't think I'm gonna, I'm not gonna ask for any more. Basically, I've rated it also just okay on my Ipsy review because it was not good. Basically, I used it once, was super impressed with it, really liked it, thought it was amazing. And then by the end of my first use, it was already drying out. Tried to use it again after leaving it, upside down for a couple of days. Shook it up, tried to get all the good juices flowing just to see maybe if it was like weird in transport, whatever. No, this baby is dried out already. So I got one use out of it. And the crazy part is this is worth about $21. I'm like 90% sure this is the full size. Again, it is hard to tell with all of these dumb DOUCCE products because their website does not have the retail size on them, like the grams and the ounces or whatever. It's only on the product, so it is kind of hard to tell. I usually have to go to third-party sites and all that jazz. So again, I think the approximate retail value is $21. It is not worth this. Go just get something from the drugstore. Like an e.l.f. liquid liner will be way better than this. You don't need this. It's trash. Sorry, I feel like that got a little ranty. Obviously, my coffee needs to kick in so I can get back to peppy Ilea because I gotta go to school for the next million hours. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. That is everything that I got in my Ipsy glam bag for the month of February. It's a little late, I know. I'm sorry. I love you guys. If you guys weren't keeping track, the approximate value of the glam bag this month was $42.39. That is including the way overpriced DOUCCE liner, but again, yeah, $42.39. Didn't love anything this month, really. It was just kind of an okay month, except the lipstick. I really do like the lipstick, but okay, whatever. Your girl gotta go to class, so if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Ilea, EYELEAH. I would love to see you there, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, guys.